How to transfer data from Realme C53 to laptop. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to quickly and easily transfer files from your Realme C53 to a laptop using a USB cable. Whether you want to move photos, videos, or documents, this simple method will get the job done in minutes. Step 1. Connect your Realme C53 to your laptop. Use a USB-C cable to connect your phone to your laptop. Once connected, you'll see a notification on your phone. Step 2. Enable File Transfer Mode. Swipe down the notification bar on your Realme C53. Tap on the USB Options notification. Select File Transfer or MTP from the list. Step 3. Access the phone storage on your laptop. On your laptop, open File Explorer or this PC. You will see your Realme C53 listed as a device. Double-click it to open its external storage or SD card. Step 4. Transfer your files. Browse through your folders like DCIM, Downloads, or Pictures. Select the files you want, then drag and drop them into a folder on your laptop. You can copy images, videos, documents, or anything else. Step 5. Safely disconnect your device. After the transfer is complete, always eject the phone safely from your PC before unplugging it. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to transfer files from your Realme C53 to a laptop using a USB cable. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.